about Hurghada I did not know and was pleasantly surprised to find out. They have Uber. Yeah, I got off the bus when I first arrived and I was like, alhamdulillah. Orange Beach. I think it's stupid that beaches are not just free like in many other countries. I haven't found a free beach. So I made it to Dream Beach. If you want to have the whole day and eat something, hang out on the beach, this might be a slightly better option. It's so hot in Hurghada. Nice. Maybe I'll walk around at the end of my time here in case they decide to kick me out after. Hello from Orange Beach. So, I've asked around and I believe this is the cheapest beach one can visit for exactly 100 guinea for the day. Here we are. Water is good. I need to put my swimming suit on though. It's so hot in Hurghada. It really makes me not want to do anything but be in the water or in the AC. I don't know if you need to pay for these things. No one's come up to me to say that I have to. So I've just put my backpack down. Yeah. So, let's go in the water. The water is great. The beach is a little bit rocky, but if you just go out a little bit, then there's some sand. Oh, it's just refreshing to get in the water. And these are free. Yeah, no one's asked me for money for sitting at these little beds, so yeah, found a beach for £100. You're still paying, but I tried to get in for free. No luck. I mean, I was joking. I was like, beblash, huh? And then I pretended to walk in. And I was like, yeah, but really, how much? 100. Okay. Damn it. So, £100. Also, I bought an orange juice. See it bought on. This is a ripoff, £40. But I'm on the beach. I'm bringing you into the water, even though it's very stupid to vlog in the water. Yalla. Okay, so as you can see, we have the rocks a little further out. It's good swimming. Ah, so dumb to vlog in the water, y'all. But I figured if I didn't, this would be a pretty boring beach video. I met a nice family though, sitting next to me, talking to the mom and her daughter. If I can just sit down and like scoot my way to the less rocky part, I think this is fine, right? Good enough? I forgot my GoPro at my hostel. Nice. So, if you're going to be in Hurghada in the summer, you're going to either want to be in the AC or in the water, because it is hot everywhere else. Still in the rocks, but getting there. Getting there, getting there. Something about Hurghada I did not know and was pleasantly surprised to find out. They have Uber. Yeah, I got off the bus to check when I first arrived, and I was like, alhamdulillah, they got Uber here, so I don't get ripped off by the other taxis. Sadly no motorbike, but it is what it is. And I actually was going to rent a motorbike, but they want like 600, 700. It's not even a motorbike either, it's a scooter. So I'll just wait to get back to Cairo to ride. I already missed my bike, but it's okay. Beach. So this is what you got to do out here. Now I'm stuck holding this camera. Stupid. But I wanted to show you guys the water. So Orange Beach. I heard there's also Paradise Beach. I haven't been down there yet. Maybe I'll go check it out. It's much further down in Hurghada, further south than where I'm staying, so I'd have to like take a taxi. I was able to walk here from my hostel, which is Marina Square Hostel. I'll do a review about that later. So, but yeah, you know, Hurghada, it's nice if you're with somebody. I think it's kind of boring alone. And the hostel at the moment is not super busy. If there were other people, maybe. But it's like a Turkish guy who's very recluse, does not like talking to people. I've attempted twice. It's like, all right, I get it. So, yeah, a little boring, but staff are nice. People are nice here, generally speaking. Men are men anywhere in the world, and especially bring it up a notch in Egypt. But it's fun. Yes, I'm gonna check out some restaurants, expensive restaurants. All right, guys, I'm gonna throw you, meaning the camera, on the beach so I can swim. Goodbye. Enjoy Orange Beach. Hello. So I made it to Dream Beach. I decided to come check it out. It is more expensive. It's 200 instead of 100 like Orange. And there's a security guy there who told me I wasn't allowed to film. So I'm kind of doing it discreetly. I don't know. People say that. And I never know if it's true or not, like at the marina. But yes, check it out. So the swimming area is smaller. There's like actual line off of there. And there's a lifeguard, but there's no rocks. So it's more expensive, but you have all these beds. There's another side over there. Ice cream, alcoholic drinks. So it seems like there's a lot more options here as well. They're both nice. You know, I took a taxi down here and that costed me 20 pounds. So more expensive than Orange Beach, but Orange Beach is smaller and has less of a selection of food and drinks. So anyways, I'm gonna go back in the water, and maybe I'll walk around at the end of my time here in case they decide to kick me out after for filming. Alright, so I'm just on the pier here at Dreams Beach. So you have this side with this pier, and then you also have this swimming area here, and all this beach here as well. So yeah, you have two sides to the beaches, two piers that you can come and lay out on, as well as the beachfront. You know, 200. I think it's stupid that beaches are not just free, you know, like in many other countries. But Hurghada, it's pretty much, I haven't found a free beach. It's Orange Beach, which is the cheapest for 100 pounds. And then this one, 200. You know, if you're not making an all day event of it, you know, it's all right, but anyways, let's go walk down the pier here. It is beautiful view. Hurghada is very gorgeous, the water. And yeah, they have ice cream and milkshakes and a bar and juice and coffee and non-alcoholic cocktails and wine and beer. So it's all right, you know. Orange is cheaper and closer, but if you want to have the whole day and eat something, hang out on the beach, this might be a slightly better option. Milkshake, ice cream stand. So those are the beaches. Unless you want to go to, there's ones that even cost $400, but I'm not paying that. If you're at a hotel, then you don't need to worry about that either. Rinse your feet off here. Don't mind if I do. So yeah, that's Hurghada. It's very beautiful, the beaches. But you're gonna spend money out here. Expensive food, a lot of foreign food. You can find cheap food too, but even the seafood that I got was And yeah, pay to hang out on the beach. So alright, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you on the next one. Alright guys, I'm just in the taxi heading back, and my taxi driver told me there's a beach that is 20 pounds. And I only found out about it now, and I'm done with beaches for the day, and I'm leaving soon, but there's a beach for 20 pounds apparently. Very local beach. Ismuke Beach? Merit? Merit. I'll put a spot if I can find it on the map with him later, otherwise Merit Beach. Ask your receptionist at your ask your receptionist at your hostel or your hotel if you want to go to a cheap beach. Alright, that's it for beaches, guys.